In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share availability in Pipedrive in 3 minutes. If you're constantly emailing back and forth to find a meeting time, this will simplify everything. First, make sure you're signed in to your Pipedrive account and looking at the main workspace. On the left-hand pane, find Activities. It's the section that lists your calls, tasks, and meetings. Click it to open your activity view so we can access the scheduling tools tied to your calendar. At the top of the activities list, you'll see Meeting Scheduler. Click that, and then choose Manage Availability. This is your control center for scheduling. Instead of juggling time slots manually, Pipedrive groups your available times into shareable booking pages, so people can only request times you've already set aside. Here, you'll see a list of your setup meeting availabilities. Each entry represents a specific type of meeting you've configured, like a discovery call or a demo, with its own duration and time windows. You'll also notice whether each availability is enabled. Enabled simply means it's active and can accept bookings during the time ranges you've already defined. When you're ready to share one, click Share on an enabled availability, and a unique link will appear. Pipedrive generates this link automatically for that exact availability, so whoever receives it will only see the times you've approved. There's no need to worry about exposing your entire calendar, only the slots inside that availability are shown, keeping your schedule private while still making it easy to book time with you. Now, copy this link and share it wherever you communicate with prospects or teammates. Paste it into an email, drop it into a chat message, or include it in a proposal. When recipients open it, they'll pick a time that works for them, and the meeting will land on your calendar inside Pipedrive, using the rules you set for that availability. It's fast, controlled, and consistent. A couple of quick tips to make this smoother. Before you share, double-check that you selected the right availability, especially if you maintain multiple meeting types. If the share option isn't clickable, confirm that the availability is enabled. And if you want peace of mind, open the link yourself in a private browser window to preview exactly what invitees will see. That's all there is to it. Go to Activities, open the Meeting Scheduler, select Manage Availability, choose the availability you want, click Share, and copy the link to send. With this simple workflow, you'll eliminate scheduling back and forth and keep your pipeline